Hashtag Bitcoin whales return to Binance as sell-off echoes February panic. Police Scarlet Bitcoin whales just moved hundreds of millions back to exchanges, and nobody's talking about what happened last time this exact pattern played out. February 2025. Bitcoin crashed from $102,000 to $78,000 in days. Panic everywhere. And right before it happened, whales flooded exchanges with coins. Now it's happening again. But here's what everyone's missing about this moment. Over the past 48 hours, massive Bitcoin holders, we're talking wallets with thousands of BTC, have been transferring coins back to Binance and other major exchanges. The pattern is identical to February's sell-off. Most people see this and think time to panic sell. But the smartest money? They're seeing something completely different. Here's what's actually going on. When whales move Bitcoin TO exchanges, it usually signals they're preparing to sell. When they move it off exchanges into cold storage, that's accumulation mode. Right now, we're seeing the selling pattern. Bitcoin's bouncing between $80,000 and $93,000, and these large holders are taking profits or hedging positions. But let's rewind to February. Yes, whales move coins to exchanges. Yes, Bitcoin crashed hard. But what happened next? Within 3 weeks, Bitcoin rallied back above $95,000. The whales who sold? Many of them bought back lower. The retail investors who panic sold? They locked in losses. This is the game. Whales create volatility. They sell high, trigger fear, buy back low, and ride it back up. The question isn't, should I panic? The question is, where's the opportunity? Now here's where this connects to something way bigger than just Bitcoin price action. Iso kaksi nola kaksi. If you haven't heard of this, pay attention because it's literally reshaping how money moves around the world. ISO 20022 is the new global standard for financial messaging. Think of it like this. When banks send money internationally, they need to communicate with each other. The old system? Clunky, slow, limited information. Iso kaksi nola kaksi. Fast, detailed, and built for the digital age. Over 70 countries are adopting it right now. Banks, payment processors, the whole financial system is upgrading. And certain cryptocurrencies were built specifically to work with this new system. We're talking about tokens like XRP, XLM, YLGO, HBER, and QNT, Quant Network. Quant is fascinating because it's not trying to replace banks. It's building the bridges between them. QNT's overledger technology lets different blockchains and traditional banking systems talk to each other seamlessly. As ISO 20022 rolls out globally, Quant is positioning itself as critical infrastructure. Why does this matter to you? Because while Bitcoin whales play volatility games, there's a massive infrastructure shift happening underneath. Traditional finance and crypto are merging. Banks are testing blockchain settlement. Central banks are exploring digital currencies. And ISO 20022 tokens are the bridges making it all possible. QNT specifically has been moving quietly. No hype, no meme energy. Just building partnerships with banks, governments, and enterprises. It's currently trading around $118, down from its $428 all-time high. But the use case? Stronger than ever. Here's what to watch over the next few weeks. First, Bitcoin's $78,000 level. If we break and hold below that, we could see another leg down to $70,000 or even $65,000. But if Bitcoin bounces hard from current levels, that's your signal the whales finished accumulating and we're heading back toward $100,000. Second, watch exchange inflows. When those whale deposits slow down and reverse, when they start pulling Bitcoin off exchanges again, that's your green light. Third, keep an eye on ISO 20022 tokens like QNT, especially if Bitcoin volatility creates buying opportunities. These aren't moonshot meme coins. They're infrastructure plays for the next decade of finance. The pattern is clear. Volatility creates opportunity. Fear creates discounts. And while everyone's watching Bitcoin price, the real wealth is being built by people who understand what's being built underneath. This is educational content only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Markets are volatile, especially crypto. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. But here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. Fortunes aren't made when everyone's comfortable. They're made in moments like this. When whales are playing games. When retail is scared. When the best projects are on sale. Follow Stack Daily for daily crypto and money tips that cut through the noise.